Yeah.
And then, of course, SPY and Q.
And Tesla's holding green.
Yeah, Tesla just broke out just the last few minutes. Looks pretty strong. I want to pull back first, but we'll see.
Oh, we're on it. No, I'm looking to catch something into it, but it doesn't look like we get that chance unless we just open up and drop right here. So see if we get that. But 842. And previous day highs 883.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Good morning, Casey.
Good morning.
Hope everybody had a great weekend.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Nice time off. How about you? I saw some posts. You look like you were enjoying it.
Yeah, had still some decent weather and just kind of went out with the family. Went out down by the water, walked around with the kids. They had a spring festival out there, some activities, had some lunch, just hung out.
Good.
It was a good time, good time.
Now it's time to make some more money on.
It's looking like market wants to come back and fill this gap right here.
That's what I'm looking at. I'm like, when I first showed up, we were, almost 100 points lower, but now we're right here. Might as well fill it.
You got Q's almost like about to fill the gap. SPY still has a little ways to go. IWM has even more of a ways to go. So your relative strength is on Q's. Your relative weakness right now is on IWM. SPY is in the middle. It's kind of how it's been lately. But yeah, it's looking like a nice recovery.
And here we go. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, shit.
All right. Insta pump into gap fill. What do we got? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Is that what you really, really want to do?
Nope. And here we are.
I'm going to stay patient going into the morning.
Yeah, Q's just almost filled that gap right there on that pop.
Yeah, very close.
It got close. It missed it by like pennies.
Dow is down 50 points after the open.
IWM's getting a ripper.
S&P is down 13. NASDAQ is down 61.
Tell him to change that to NASDAQ is green.
I know. He's a little behind.
Ooh, what was that?
Take it out right before taking the gas.
They basically got to it, yeah.
Okay, that's gnarly.
Yeah.
I was a smack and a half.
I was like, SPX was at like 71.20, and IWM had like a huge, big green body candle, and now it's just a long wick up there.
Gold getting a nice pop. YM's ripping. M2K is ripping.
All right, there goes IWM back up.
ES is looking better than NQ here. NQ's just the one taking the dipstick.
Yeah, SPY's still holding up decent. Q's just that's a gnarly little candle that came in.
If Tesla calls queued, I have not bought yet. They're just queued up.
Heard.
Ooh. Oh, my meta puts are doing nice.
Oh my gosh, Rusty.
How about we keep dropping, Meta?
Headline here, Lebanese parliament speaker said there is a U.S. effort to extend the ceasefire between Lebanon and Israel. That from a Lebanese media.
Oh, it may say see you, but it's glitching.
Took a small position on that.
Look at that. I still think we get gap fill. If I had to guess, I'd guess Maple Stacks is long for that as well here. Oh, 10 minute. Mates, rejoin. I see you. It's just glitching.
Yeah, they're gonna gap fill it. These
Do it.
fucking bastards.
Might as well.
Hell, you know what? Might as well just put QQQ at 900. Fuck it. That's the way we're going at this moment. Another 250 up. Let's do it.
Yeah. Give me the loot. Mama. Mama.
QQQ 900, SPY at 1,000, IWM at 400.
Give me 842. Give me that.
Apple is ripping. 273. AMD is also getting a little rippy dippy.
Dude, they know NQ has the gap fill.
Google's doing some weird stuff. I think Meta's your weakest.
Yeah, Meta and Meta. If market pulls, I'd watch Meta and Microsoft. Microsoft was also very weak Friday after the initial pump it had.
Oh yeah. XL is green. XLK just went green. All other sectors still red, pushing up.
NQ is much closer to its gap fill. So I could see us running past it into maybe previous day high. So ES can gap fill as well.
Here goes Meta dropping. Meta's also under the 200 SMA on the daily.
Yeah, it's looking a bit stronger now. Bump it. Bump it into gap fill.
NVIDIA popped right back up.
slow start to the open so far.
Not at new lows. Continuing.
Crude oil still dropping. At a new lows.
I'm gonna look to trim my meta puts.
Damn that. But AMD, Apple are up. Amazon's ticking down. Google's ticking down.
Okay, I trim my meta puts here. I'm holding one. I have till May 15th on them.
Oh, I hate when they try and do this.
New low of day on Q. What just happened?
We're going to 0.
It's going back and forth.
Like, what the heck?
Yeah, I cut Tesla, guys.
Want to see that gap fill at some point. Might not do it right away though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be honest, I'd love to see us run lower.
Look at Microsoft. I still have those puts too. Microsoft Daily. Ugh. Ugh. Ugly. Okay, so I trimmed Microsoft and Meta puts. I still have QQQ puts for next Friday that I'm also holding. I'm looking to see if those actually start to pay me today. My Meta's still dropping.
Yeah, still trying to hold.
Palantir holding up pretty well. Watching that. Still watching Tesla, even though we had to take a little loss on that. Nothing major.
All good.
Casey, your Costco, green.
Costco, is she popping?
Your Walmart, very green too.
Oh yeah, they looking good.
Mm-hmm.
And keep an eye on Oxy and XOM. Looking a little decent here on the daily. Amazon new low of day.
Apple's still holding. Microsoft new low. Damn. You're just stuck.
OWLS.
Not fun.
Up in here, $5.94.
Light open on a day with no news.
Report hours. Team shareholders extend lockup agreement 12 months. That's Oscar Whiskey Lima Sandy. Shares hitting a high now up about 11.5%. OWLS.
R2Y is still ripping. YM is holding. It's got nothing to do here. Morning, Minxie. I feel like Minxie's shorting this.
IWM new high day about to close its gap.
No, look at that thing.
Q's is now the weakest out of the three. Oh, how the tables have turned.
I swear we've been at this spot for like a whole 3 minutes. The longest I've been in a trade. Just kidding.
Yeah, we've been stuck here.
Yeah, look at it.
Not doing nothing.
Come on, pay me. There we go. So they say that it's going to start to reverse.
Crude oil trying to find a bit of a bid in the 85.70s. Kind of boring. Iran said U.S. not serious about talks. Will face decisive response if it repeats past mistakes. goodness. Go to sleep watching this.
Mhm.
This is like my ASMR right here. Ugh, put me out. Maybe drop it to 700s. They can even get some momentum going here.
There we go. Come on.
Oh, they're trying.
Yeah, they're trying, and then it's like,
But yeah,
here it comes.
we need that real Momo.
Gonna scale some others. 27 points. 30.
Nice.
31.
More.
Give him more.
I'd love to see under 700.
Every
I
time
could-
I hear that, I think of the Liver King, bro.
That guy went off the deep end.
Dude, that guy. Oh my goodness.
Off the deep end.
That guy is rough.
I put my stop loss right above break even, or in
Yeah,
profit
you're still looking good, Mix.
for my just for my runners.
It's a good
I
candle
don't-
closure down there.
Yeah, I don't like this slow moving action.
I know.
Down.
I still want to see gap fill happen.
Damn, they almost stopped me out.
Hold the line. You get into that 700s, makes sense. Like that's a good trim.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm
People
looking
was-
for.
Yeah, if we go below 690, I think we're gonna on retest or 680 on retest rejection. That would be a good short.
I want to see under 700.
Crude oil tried the little bit pop. Little, but not really getting anything going there. Until it really breaks structure to the upside.
Spiking here, Hotel India Michael Sandy.
Hins and hers getting a pop. New high at day 30.43 here. Popping in Q. Is that the fake out down to go gap fill now? go Allen. Got that little 1-to-1. Very nice.
Quick and easy, in and out. I'd like to see what we do from here. I
Yeah.
think if we break 790 again, we've got a massive possibility of pushing back higher. But obviously, if we get out of rejection there, I am a bit bearish, so I'd love to see us go lower. Either way, it can do whatever it wants to do. I'll just join in once it decides.
Yeah.
Him's over $30.
Okay.
There goes MQ. It's over.
Over now. Holy hymns. There's no way shares go 100% for a third time in a row, right? There's no way this happens again.
Always a way.
IWM is about to fill the gap. It is like 2 pennies or so away. Kind of same thing that Q's did this morning.
Yeah, I'm looking like that was a little fake out down.
There it is. IWM full gap fill, ripping new highs.
Yeah, we
Yes,
held
new
that-
high day.
We held that pivot point down at 720-ish.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not in anything.
Wow, Hims is pumping.
Bump it. You like to bump it, bump it. I like to bump it, bump it.
Timothy.
I break that new high day. Give it to him. Apple just climbed back over $4 trillion market cap. Nvidia's at 4.9, Google's at 4.1, Apple's at 40. $4 trillion. What is this? ECB, Herrera said Europe in between ECB's baseline and adverse scenario. The economy was resilient before the war began. IEA's Burrell said that the world won't be as dependent on Hormuz in the future. I would hope not. I would really hope not. 10-minute candle closing in 1 minute.
Are we just gonna be stuck all day?
Guys,
Yep, WS, 1-800 flowers sitting up top here on
1-800 flowers.
What the fuck?
4 coming in. That's
Red
WS.
You'll love to see it.
You'll love to see it.
Imagine being the guy that bought the domain for flowers.com. Fucking rich, dude. And to clear these 800s. You can see that 842. I found a knot whale.
Holy shit.
Well, hello there.
Why, hello there.
A whale. Whale.
Oh, not just here. Okay, I'm leaving.
Well,
hello there.
hello there.
How we doing, partner?
Hello, hello.
Good to hear your
How's
voice.
everybody doing?
Surviving
Doing.
this Hormuz market.
Yeah. I know exactly. I already told Casey exactly what they need to do, and this will all be settled.
Let me hear it.
All Trump needs to do is rename the Strait of Hormuz, like he did to the Gulf of to the Gulf of America. Now, all he needs to do is change it from the Strait of Hormuz to the Gay of Hormuz. Iran will want nothing to do with it.
100%. Did you see in his press conference? He said gays for Iran. Yeah. It was said from
Oh, I didn't
Mr.
know.
President. Apparently, I don't know.
No, I didn't see that.
Gave Hormuz.
We saw that live while we were trading. I don't know, 2 weeks ago, something like that. That was brutal. We're like, what did he just say? Did he say that?
So is everyone making monies? All the money?
We're getting going. It's kind of a slow morning here. I haven't really done much. Kind of hanging out, but it's been a good past 2 weeks, I'd say. I've had some great moves in the market. Crew's been killing it. Yeah, just restream.
So we got a lower,
It's actually pretty easy. He's gone. He's gone. We love you, Will.
lower high there again.
Do you see the headline from Trump?
No.
No. Oh, Trump when asked if Iran is doing talks. I don't know. He said that one.
Yeah, well, that one, he says, if the ceasefire expires tomorrow, then a lot of bombs will start going off.
Oh boy.
And then he said Iran is supposed to be at the talks, but they don't know. And now you get to, because I was like, okay, that's a crazy red candle just came in on Q's. What the hell happened? And then I was like, oh, Trump said the word bomb, so that makes sense.
The big, beautiful bomb. It's the best bomb you've ever seen. Very explosive. I don't know where Maple Stacks is. He like joined, but I think it was having some connection issues with the Starlink, I believe.
He's moving the RV to a different spot.
Probably. I feel like he'd be long here, but I don't know.
I mean, what a life, just traveling, just with your wifey and just,
Right.
I'm ready to
Got a
do all that.
dog.
Now that my kid's in college, I'm ready to sell everything and do the same damn thing.
Yeah, I think like the boat life or like the van life, they're very similar. They're pretty much the same thing. It's just like one's on the water or not. It's a fun time. I feel like everybody should do it for a little bit at some period in their life. It also makes you appreciate like the really small things, like having a washer and dryer right outside the hall, or being able to walk across the hall and take a shower, things like that. Obviously, if you have a really nice boat, like there's nice showers on them, but like I don't know, it just makes you appreciate the small things that you have in a normal house. OpenAI to release new image model in coming weeks from the information. I'll figure Google in that. What a shoddy open. Oh my lordy.
Yeah, it's pretty ugly.
Yeah, IB in 5 minutes or so.
Hims is still flying.
This happens.
Yeah, I can't trade that.
Happy Jacks in the chat. What's good, my brother? Just no momentum. Settle.
Drain it. Drain it.
Gonna try and just no real decisions made yet.
I think we're close to seeing some violence coming.
Bring it.
just break the floor.
Yeah, still looking much stronger. Taking out the highs, and Q hasn't taken out highs yet. It's an issue. Got to take out those highs. ES is also gap fills at 71.6425.
AMD gave back the entire move and some new low day.
Oh, yeah. Bam.
Fell off a little cliff there after the morning pop.
Bad. VP Vance has not left for Pakistan yet, according to CNN. Nothing hitting the wire. Not letting NQ make highs so far. Trying to lose it. Damn, guys, careful in this range. You will get chopped up if you're just sitting here getting faked out every time we go to one side. It can really be rough, so just be careful.
Yeah.
Not ideal right now.
Yeah, we're in a little trap zone.
It's like every time you thought it might get going to the upside, they slap it every time you try and get going down, buy it up. It's just punishing both sides here. So until we get some real momentum in one direction, I gotta be chilling. If you're playing CBC, that's been bullish on all these dips, but tough at the same time when NQ isn't making highs while ES is. Took a fly looking good, Firefly. Yeah, I've kept an eye on that recently. It's been ripping. Been getting some great moves to the upside for weeks now. Not a name I watch all the time, but it's been on my radar a little bit more just with how much it's been moving. I think it's made the list of most active stocks that I post over here and there. Be consistent with.
Okay, I'm looking to get into a short if we can go below 750, 747.
Heard.
Come on, drain it.
PFP, Brown Foreman set to favor Pernod Ricard over Sazerac, that's from Bloomberg.
Wow, I missed that 1 minute this morning. What am I doing?
Okay. I'm in the short again.
Hell yeah,
Very
Minty.
light.
Wow, there was a play that I totally missed.
Come on.
Bro, just get out of this damn zone.
Drop it.
Let's scale some out.
Heard.
Trump said Israel never talked me into a war with Iran.
What in the world? Slap right back down.
Okay, scale more
Wow,
out.
I'm low-key pissed that I missed this fucking play.
Oh, market is definitely weaker today.
Michael, India.
Market isn't like uncertainty. That's what we have today.
Hell yeah.
I put my stop loss and my runners in profit, so
Trump said Iran could have prosperous future with new leaders. didn't fucking see that. Can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Blind.
All right, I have another stream in a couple minutes here, so I'll see you guys Wednesday.
No worries, Emma Gemma.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. Thanks,
I'm
guys.
out.
See you later.
Have a great morning. Trump said Israel didn't talk me into the war with Iran.
Ouch.
Still holding on it. You. U.S.-Iran talks are planned for Wednesday in Pakistan. IB does form in 9 minutes. Based on the chart right now, we should take out the low. But that could change in 9 minutes. We end up making a new high a day, the data will flip.
I think with talks moving to Thursday, it's gonna keep us coiled up.
Mm-hmm.
Because now for the next couple of days, it's either good or bad. So what are we gonna do until then?
Right. Makes sense. What else still doing? Nothing. This guy. Goodness. Juan, go count your Pokemon cards, brother. There goes gold. Trying to take out that high. Getting a little perky. RTY is still taking out a new high day. YM's right there, just awaiting it. Kind of just consolidating. American Eagle's up 1.4. Adobe getting a nice bounce too, up 2.1. Apple's still running, trying to make a new high day here. Circle's down 4.1. ASTS is still down as well, but trying to get a pop. It's down really bad. Oscar up 2.5. Ondas is up 6.5%. Where's Wapbender? New high day. Let's go. You'll love to see it. Here's NQ trying to bounce. Basically just been consolidating since open right under that new week opening gap. Go take that out. Gold new highs. Silver's about to do it as well. And NQ. Yeah, Cisco is ripping. Oh, that's coming up. Is that a new all-time high? Almost. Almost. On Cisco. 0.9% away. Crude oil loadings from Saudi Arabia's Yanbu port declined 17% to about 3.5 million BPD in the week beginning April 13th. Lordy, bro. Can we fucking break some way? Instead of just go back and forth, doing nothing. I did miss one play though. It's on me, honestly.
We're gonna roll over
a little
some.
long.
Good. Roll it to 0. Tired of this bullshit. The fucking 0. Pay the man. Come on. Big drop into 690. Come on, baby.
U.S. military says at the beginning of the blockade, U.S. forces have directed 27 vessels to turn around to return to an already port.
This feels like Asia session. My lord, what are we doing? That's what happens when the market rips as much as it did, nonstop. Dropping it into 700s.
Hell yes. What in the fuck was that?
STLD Steel Dynamics shares up 4% ahead of their earnings, sending title limit Delta.
No, we want it lower.
You did just take out IB low there.
If I can give some advice to those
Oh
who
yeah.
haven't taken a trade yet, probably just wait it out.
Yep.
It doesn't look like we're picking a direction. I think a lot of the field sits with uncertainty, which probably means we might go or continue to go lower. But if you've had your trade and you're out for the day, probably stay out.
I agree.
Because this is risky. And this is where it gets slapped as well.
Yeah,
If you
it's
play
a
too much.
difficult environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might not be
You
doing
definitely
anything.
get smoked in this.
Although I did miss a little bit of the long. Like 950. That is what it is. BlackBerry shares are trading higher after the company announced that its QNX unit will expand a collaboration with NVIDIA. Trying to hold these 700s right now.
I did an iron condor. Went farther out on the put side though.
Gold's finally taking a dip. Mexico's president, Sheinbaum, ahead of USTR Greer's visit on Monday, said Mexico interested in reaching accord prior to USMCA review on steel, aluminum, and autos. Not giving up 700s yet.
Nope. Nope. Didn't think so.
Hold the line. Swept that orb low. I figure it's at around 3% of global aluminum supply has been disrupted by war.
FLWS, 1-800 Flowers, your highest now, $4.27. Frost Trucking Whiskey Sandy.
1-800 Flowers, just getting the continuation. Slapped again.
Nope, no low. 700.
Yep.
I just trimmed out some of my shorts.
Very nice.
I'm gonna actually trim my QQQ puts.
I did as well.
That's what I'll go do. Oh.
Wow, dude. Missed that one play and we just fucking done this the whole time. Great. Great. That means I'm not doing anything. 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. That flew by. What a shit morning. Well, that's what we get when we rip 14 days straight, man.
Mm-hmm.
On days like this. Especially on a Monday with no news. Just annoying to have to deal with.
Mm-hmm. So that. I knew it.
Yes, in 10 minutes, 20.
Casey, I knew today he would keep. I knew one of these days he would keep buying the dip.
I saw it. I saw that this morning.
Gonna be a blowout day. We're gonna go lower here. It looks like
Hope so.
under 687. I could see overnight low 612. IWM still strong.
There we go. But my Q's nice. Where they fill it at? 396. Nice.
Nice.
CGR Caesars, credit circulating report the engineering blog said the company is in talks to be acquired for $34 per share. That's not confirmed. That's Charlie Zulu Romeo, CZR.
Awesome to see the move a bit lower, but I'm gonna go silent for a little bit.
All goody, man.
You guys enjoy, be safe,
You as well.
and awesome boarding morning.
Joseph Caesars.
Yeah, we'll see how we do rest of the day.
And
Yeah,
the
100%.
chatter circulating.
We get through these 700s. Still have Asia low down at 612.25. We just had not really enough momentum to get down there. Mhm.
IWM looking to push higher here.
She's still holding on.
Yeah,
it is.
at the highs.
I am still holding up well too. It got a little slap there, but holding up significantly well.
Mhm.
And back to the chop zone we go. IWM new high day.
Yeah, they keeping it in the chop zone this morning.
Yeah, unless they back test this spot right here and instantly slam it back down, if they continue higher, I'm just going to be sitting on my hands for the rest of this afternoon.
OnDisk continues to trade higher after the company announced that its subsidiary 4 Million Defense received a $10 million order to deploy its AI platform, autonomous robots and drones, as part of an Israeli demining contract.
Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. There we go. You can back test it all you want, baby. Instant reverse. That's what we want. Oh, yes. Come on, Q. Oh, yes, yes. Holy shit. Oh, I am out majority.
There they go.
The fuck?
Now they're moving.
Damn, Casey.
Yeah, I am.
Oh my
Now
god.
they're moving a bit.
Runners only. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, futures. Jesus Christ.
Louise. There's your Asia low.
Look, and it went straight to the money sign on the chart.
612.25, which we just made equal lows there. Nice.
Ceasefire expiration expires Wednesday evening. That's why ceasefire expires. Highly unlikely they extend the ceasefire. Will not open the Strait of Hormuz until the deal is signed.
Just buying it right back up.
That was your pre-market low and full target for me on Qs. Also, previous day low was right down there as well. Literally, I have a money symbol that was drawn onto the chart for my target, and it went exactly there.
There we go.
The reason why I was short, QQQ has been in a 5-minute squeeze since 10:05 this morning, but bearish divergence that entire time, making those lower highs. All I was looking for was that floor to break out and short the back test. And that's really it. Nothing more. And it played out. News just got it there faster.
Oh, by the way, he's definitely killed now. Oil with a big pop there.
Yeah, it did rip.
Grab 2 small contracts short here. This bounce. If I lose a little bit, that's okay. Just 2 small things. I mean, I'm up a lot with my puts for the day. Looking to see a move back to. Well, we got under overnight low. Actually, we tapped overnight low like almost. Oh no, we didn't. I lied. We got to 1:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. low overnight. Okay, I trimmed one there. Got $30 a contract already.
Let's see if they take out these equal lows.
And I got to stop the last one in profit. Okay. Sounds good to me. Had a little fun play there.
Let's go.
A little quick one.
Vance doesn't leave for Pakistan until later on Monday. Time for equal loss.
Wall Street Journal reporting that Justice Department is criminally investigating beef companies.
Beef companies?
Apparently.
I got a DM from Wall Street Journal to do a story on my.
Yeah, I don't. Is that true? I looked the person up. The person was actually real, but
That's true.
because I've gotten like 10 of those before, and they were all fake.
Yeah, no, this one is real.
Okay.
It's interesting, like the amount of times Evan has gotten like a DM to go to an event from an account with like no profile picture, no followers, and
Oh yeah, well that
it's
you just throw right out the wind. Yeah, fuck that one.
No, they end up being completely legit.
Oh really?
Yeah, like he's gone to these NVIDIA events, like literally gotten invited from a no profile picture, like 10 follower page, but like they're legit.
Oh wow.
Part of the company. Yeah, like some of these people just have no fucking social media presence, man. It's crazy.
I've gotten a lot of interviews. Message or requests. I just never do it.
Yeah, I have that call.
Being a profile picture has got to be a
From
scam, but
MSNBC.
some of these guys are just low on the radar.
Yeah, the one you're talking about, Minx. I'm talking to them in an hour.
I never. I don't respond.
Oh. Well.
Should I respond? We should do it together now.
Well, the thing is, it says covering Web3 markets and crypto, which I don't do any of.
See, I got experience.
Because I have no internet. That's great.
But yeah, like, what are you gonna say?
What do you mean I have no internet, bro? What? Come on.
I can't even open TradingView anymore because they listed me as a professional trader.
$110 per contract gain on QQQ 640 puts for Friday here.
Nice.
New low of day.
New low of day.
There we go. Oh, yes. All right, I'm going to trim. Yeah.
Oh, he trimming.
Everything was frozen.
You gonna make him trim?
Don't make me trim.
Still at 480. Oh, nasty candle, baby.
Okay, let's see.
Bro, how am I not connected to internet? I can understand, dude.
I just don't understand.
Gosh. Fuck.
Here we go, baby.
trim my QQQ 640 puts for next Friday.
I have no position on MNQ. It's up 125 points from entry, and then I have some runners left just on the QQQ puts. I'm looking for 642.50 to 642.18 daily level and zone right down there.
Ooh, look at Meta.
Oh, sweet mama, there it is. Oh.
We're gonna go for those overnight lows, which is 530, 535.
All right, they filled my order. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Oh.
I have zero internet. Everything just shut down. Crazy. And it's not turning back on.
Trading MNQs and trading minis are so two different beasts.
All right, 642.50 it.
Why am I singing, you guys?
Because I'm singing every time I go on mute, but you can still telepathically hear.
Yeah.
We're just connected like
So,
we finally broke some structure. And take the money symbol off the chart right now. Sniper bot said short. Yes, it was late, but nice move. What, 10 points?
Nice bounce. Okay. All right. I'm going to close this down here. I'm going to hop off and get some things done. I will catch you guys in a wee bit. We'll see what the market's doing in the chat.